London lows, bye-bye. Yes, 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 yes. So had this marked out, this level of sell side liquidity here on E-mini S&P and NASDAQ here on the 5-minute chart. If I just toggle this sessions indicator on, you guys can see we swept the London lows. We still have Asia, below. So if we continue a little bit lower, that wouldn't be super surprising. So we'll see what we get here. I'm open to playing longs though, now that we've taken out the London low. If we start displacing up, I will be definitely open to getting long. Obviously the extreme from PPI is wide open. However, so is the extreme from CPI. So that's kind of the only kicker there. So I'm a little bit neutral biased today. We'll see what we get. I mean, a correction's bound to happen at some point. We got a lot of inefficiencies to fill. We got a lot of opening range gaps wide open. So, it's got to happen eventually, right? But as long as we get sweeps of sell side liquidity and bullish PD arrays to form, we'll definitely take those longs if they're open. So right now, guys, just waiting and anticipating potential displacement back up. On the 1-minute chart here, basically whichever one shows me a little bit more energy and enthusiasm is the one I'm going to go with. I would say just looking at the recent structure right here, as of right this second, ES looks a little bit more sharp, if that makes sense. And I kind of like the looks of that. So if we get a decent setup, nice little fair value gap gets left open like right here, I'll anticipate that and I'll use that to get long. There was a little 2-minute gap there. We didn't really get a market structure shift though, did we? Got this pop back up. There's no SMT at the lows because we took out the same London low. Market structure shift would be this swing high right here. So you'd kind of be only going off of a liquidity sweep and a fair value gap. I mean, we really didn't need to be patient whatsoever. But liking this gap, guys, on ES, I like that it can be a very tight stop, 3.5 points. TP1's going to be this high. 20 seconds left on this candle, guys. If this fair value gap stays open, I'll get long. If it closes, probably just going to chill. Nothing like the easy stuff. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill for right now. But keep your finger on the trigger. I may market execute. I kind of just want to see what this does. You got a little volume imbalance here. Acts as a gap, right? But so not gonna enter right away if it comes back here. I kind of want to just see what it does. But I might, if it's showing respect, and we kind of start to turn, I might hop in. Well, let's see what this brings. Opening range high just got swept on ES. All that really means is if that doesn't get swept on NQ, we've got some fat... What? Come on, say it with me. What do we got? Present currently. There it is. SM Tizzle. We'll see if it sticks. It may or may not. But boy, it is prominent, I'd say that. Tell you what, guys. Let's watch this 3-minute candle. Let's watch this 3-minute candle. If this thing closes inside this gap, let's fire away a short. We got the SMT. We got the liquidity sweep of the opening range high. I mean, why not? Let's have some fun. I'm personally probably going to go above this little like this 3 fair value gap sequence as far as my stop goes. But I want to see this candle come down and actually close in the gap again. 40 seconds. Not on this candle anyway. We'll see now. I'm going to drop back down to a 1-minute chart. I want to see if we just start going. If we get bearish fair value gaps to form here, we'll fire away. We'll see if it uses it as inverse now. At this point, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I kind of want to wait for the news because we're 4 minutes away, 3 minutes away. But as of right now, this is the setup that I like. I like this breaker. I like this inversion gap. I like these inefficiencies, right, to go long. So the idea would be getting long from the breaker and basically the high end of this inversion gap. Stop loss below this fair value gap candle. You could even include this little volume imbalance right here, maybe. About 5 points for a stop. and going there. The only thing I don't like right now is just this news is coming out in 1 minute. We might have to act fast. So if this news release comes out and we're just not really doing a whole lot, we're just kind of slow, but we're looking like we're respecting in here, like, let's just fire away along. No, yeah, you're right. SMT's still present. If we just start tanking here, we'll just wait and potentially get short on NQ. But I won't lie, I kind of have the feeling, all right, news came out. I just kind of have the feeling that it won't matter. I just feel like the SMT is going to get violated like me at my uncle's birthday party when I was 4. Just kidding, that didn't happen. He wishes, am I right? Alright, nothing too crazy right now. I'm going to get ready to probably put a long on here soon. I'd like to let one candle close here. Let's see what this one does. Alright guys, I'm gonna fire away along right now, okay? I went 2 contracts. I'm gonna do about a 5-point stop or so. NQ is pushing this high now. Okay, there we go. Thank goodness. Alright guys, I'm risk free. Partial as you wish. Let's watch this SMT finally get obliterated, hopefully once and for all. Please, for the love of God, don't just take the opening range high in NQ and then dump. Hit a 1.6R so far. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'll be out at break even, guys, if that happens. I actually think it's not impossible to think that price could still bounce. And I'm out of break even. Fuck you. What a bitch. I'm not interested in doing anything right now. But anyway, yeah, I'm still pretty torn, guys. I have no idea now at this point. I still feel like we could bounce here. Bro, get fucked. If you were to enter shorts, this fair value gap looks alright. Took the opening range high, but I don't know. I just don't like this. I don't like this, truthfully. And you really have yet to break through this 15-minute inverse gap. It's still holding bullish. Like, so in my opinion, I feel like you kind of have to favor the original analysis more until this gets traded through. Alright, well. Back above these gaps. I might take another stab at a long here if we tap into this. Inverse gap. I'm going to set a buy limit, guys. Take one more stab at it. This is so annoying, dude. My take profit's got to purposely be up here above this high. Stop loss incoming. Oh my goodness. So anyway, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna be done for the morning. Might trade PM session. Ending the morning red. But yeah, I don't know. That was probably a trade that I shouldn't have taken, obviously. Easy to say that after a loss, but yeah, I'm gonna be done, guys. So enjoy your day. I'll talk to you guys in the Discord if there's anything to take. Peace out.